Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Shakira inspired wave hairstyle. Stay tuned. So before we get started, I'm going to be using Shubamura's texture wave all over my hair just to give it some nice grip. Section out your hair. Of course, I had to put in my extensions today because you can't have Shakira hair without having lots of thickness. So when we get started, I'm going to start with the bottom section of my hair. I'm going to make sure I get my extensions in it. And we're just going to work our way up the hair. Or up the head, I should say. The rest away. For the bottom sections, I do a little bit of a thicker section because it's not really seen. So, and then we'll start at the root. I count to 10 when I hold it in place. And then we're going to see how it looks. It looks good. Work your way down and make sure you follow where your last wave just was. Just to give it a nice good flow. You can go all the way to the end, or you can just straighten your ends if you like. Depends on your taste or what look you're going for. And look at, that's our first section. Done. When I hold the clipper, I kind of like to hold it down so you get this corner bevel. I think it just adds to the next wave that you add. Like I said, you're trying to just follow the flow, the waves. That is our first section done. This to the side. Next section up. Head. It doesn't have to be a perfect straight section. I know it's hard for me because of all the extensions I put in my hair, but as long as it looks good and you kind of like go through the process of working up the head, you're fine. Don't have to overcomplicate things. I usually do. Back section, I'm going to start 2 crimps and then I'm going to bring it forward just so it's easier for me to see. I'm going to just do this side of the section because I have my extensions right here. Make sure not to hold your crimper toward you like this, because since I did that, I might get a little bit of a crease. I don't like creases, so kind of like angle it away. See? Since I angled it toward my head, I made that crease right there. Luckily, it's at the bottom, so you won't see it, but just try to keep an eye on that. Blonde crimped hair always reminds me of top ramen. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But am I right? It's gonna be like top ramen. Since we did the sides, we can't forget to do the back in that one section. So remember, for the back section, we're going to start with 2 crimps and then bring it forward. For this top section, let's see, how are we gonna, I say let's finish this front section all the way down and then work our way to the back and to the side. I would say after you shower, wait 2 or 3 days and then try this crimp. shake your arms out. I feel better. I'm so crazy right now. So, we're gonna get some hair oil. Mine's from Baviness. About quarter size. More like a nickel. Now, we're gonna rake it through our hair. Break it all up, blend it together. And something extra you can do is grab your flat iron and in the areas you want to like clean up, just slightly like go over it like really fast. Like, I like my front pieces a little more forward, and then I feel like this area is a little chaotic. I'm just gonna try to smooth it out. And then if there's like any weird ends, like you can straighten them. But I feel like the transition from my hair to the extensions just needs to be a little smoother, so this helps it out a lot more. Just to help it all blend. So what you can do now is add more texture spray to your hair just to lock the look in place.